Hello, this is the Artificial Intelligence Trader. Today is Monday. Friday was a big movement in the jobs numbers. It was expected to be 150. There was rumors. It was the expectation. Normal thing was the previous was 200,000. They expected 150,000, but it was 260,000. So you can see here the big white candle going down. That happened at that time when the news broke, and the market recovered and continued to trend up. This is the 1 hour. You see in the other corner, in this corner here above, you see the 1 minute. That's normally I look what's happening. Normally I put it on 5 minutes, but for now I put it on 1 minute so you can see what's happening. Next to it there's you can see here there's the pivot points. You see only a pivot point indicator in there, so you can see what the extremes are, where the market can go. So at the moment it went from, in the morning you can see it was a little bit above the PP, and now it's going to the first resistance. So I expect that it will move around this point. It's now almost 3 o'clock, so London and Europe is waking up and will be starting trading. The biggest movement here in Japan will be between 3 and 4. You will see some movement. This morning around before Japanese market opened, it was a little bit down, up, but when the Tokyo went up, opened, you saw a strong uptrend. So the dollar, you see what caused this uptrend. You can see the dollar and the dollar yen and the euro yen on here below next to me. That's why I'm always looking, and also looking at how they are limited. For example, at the moment you see that the dollar is bouncing against the top of the Kumo cloud and the movers average there. So probably it will stay there, or in this case it can also break because of course now it is opening. So you can see that the yen is getting weaker and the dollar is getting stronger, and also the euro. So you have to look at the amount of difference. So I expect this week, if you look at the daily and the weekly chart, that it is going up. Ichimoku is not 100% up, but it says it is going up, and there is a range. So we think the volatility will be high this week, up down, but the trend will be going up. So what you have to, what my strategy of this week is if it has gets a low point, I add more positions, and if it is at the top, I lower my positions. So at the moment this is R1, so normally I would lower now my positions that are already done, and if it goes a little bit more down and there is a new uptrend, I add my positions, and it probably will bounce against R1, and maybe after 4 o'clock, over 1.5 hours, if it breaks, we will add more. So at the moment when I make this video, this morning it went all up, so I could make a nice profit. Now it is consolidating because of the opening of the ending of the Tokyo market. Tokyo will end, the stock market will end at 3 o'clock, and the European market will open between 3 and 4. Sometimes you don't see movement, or sometimes you see a lot of movement. In this case we see some movement downwards, so that is new for the day. When you see in the hourly chart that the whole day it went up. Only the beginning of the day it was a little bit down because of I think it is Australia a little bit nervously, but it pulled up. So we expect this week to go up. Before European market, it also looks to go. It already reached R1, so I expect that it will be there. That some news has to break, so we will look at the economical news and look what the effects of those news results are on the market. But the main trend is for the moment up. So we were trading up, and we will look how it will result in the next video. In the next video I hope I will make today again, and we will see. So look at the 1 hour chart, you see the big candle that was from Friday. You see some candles going up, a little bit more up. So I think it will go sideways for a while with spikes up and a little bit spikes down, but the main trend will be up. So that's it for now, and good trading, Euro USD, and let's see what the day will bring today. That's it.